Market update on the 27th. So SPY, not really any movement. Same as last video, looking to get above 387.40 or sell off for a third wave down to here. Ultimately low 360s. But yeah, not really that much to say besides it's in the exact same spot as yesterday for the most part. And just waiting to see which way it goes. I'm still looking for upside though. The dollar probably has a little bit more downside. But that's pretty much it on SPY. Not going to go over too much on that right now. Tesla is the main thing I want to go over. I'm deep in this stock with sold puts, hedging my position with puts, but I'm definitely overall down right now on it because I have sold puts. But I'm hedging it pretty well to make sure I'm not losing a ton of money and make sure that I still am making some money on this move down. So when it does bounce, I'll be up overall. But I'm still looking at this as W, X, A, B, and we're working on a C wave. The reason is this is a AB 5-wave move, so ABC, ABC, and then this is looking like a 5-wave move to me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here. I'm looking for 98 to be a good landing spot for the C wave. So 98.74 would be a good spot. We are in the 5th wave, it looks like. And so we have 1, 2, 3. We came outside the parallel line today. So that means the 3rd wave could potentially be finished. It could keep going all the way down to 98. But I wouldn't be surprised if we got a bounce back to like 120, 130, and then finish off down here to 98. It's due for a big bounce. The daily chart is the most oversold in 6 years. Second most oversold of all time. So it's due for a bounce, and that would propel SPY up to 390, 395 if that were to happen. So if it does bounce here and goes to like 120, 130, I would be looking for another huge move down. That could probably will fill the gap at 80 and it could potentially go lower than that. So we'll see. I'm holding puts to 98 minimum. Not going to sell until it hits 98 because I don't want to take any risks on my sold puts. So that's what I see on Tesla. You can see there's also, I got the parallel lines from AB right here. And the parallel line is also saying if it goes straight down, potentially could go to like 93 bucks if it goes straight down tomorrow. Later in January, it can keep on going down all the way to 80. So maybe we bottom sometime in January. Tough stock to figure out right now because it's just going straight down. 11% in one day is pretty crazy for such a big cap stock. So look for 98 minimum, possibly a bounce tomorrow. We'll see. Apple, looking for a bounce to 140, 145, and then another move down to the demand zone here between 122 and 106. Probably between 110 and 115 though. So this video is going to be pretty short because SPY didn't really move, and the dollar, last thing I'll go over. Dollar looks like it has more downside, and that would line up with a bounce on SPY and a bounce on Tesla. Look for I would say look for like 102, 103. That's in a demand zone too on the weekly chart. So right here, right in that area, I would expect it to come down and then bounce. So maybe a little bit more upside in SPY. We'll see how it goes though. It could go either way still. But nothing else really to say about it today. Tesla was the main thing I was focused on all day. And we'll see what happens tomorrow with it. It could bounce. There's a lot of puts at 110. So they definitely closed those out. But there's also a bunch at 100. So I don't expect it to go past 100 this week. And it'll probably get a big bounce if it does go to 100. So that's pretty much it for now. Let me know what you think in the comments. Are you trading Tesla? What do you think about Tesla? How'd your day go? Anything else, any ticker requests, let me know. That's it though, short video, nothing really happening with SPY. So have a good night, and I will make a video tomorrow.